Alright guys, so it's Prosper here again, and here's another video. In this video I'll show you guys how you guys can make money online. So for those of us that have been asking how you can make money online, so I bring you this legitimate and real platform where you can mine cryptocurrency for free, and you can withdraw at any time, at any day, any seconds. You can withdraw it to your real wallet, and you can convert it to your cash in your bank. Okay, so guys, so the platform is called multiminer.net, and you start mining. So for you to get started first, you need to use my referral link. And I have referred two people. And I'm currently mining, and I was gifted 0.04 cents. So I have, if anything is lower than cent, maybe that's what I have, and it's ongoing currently now. So if I go back to my cloud mining, so you can go ahead and boost by depositing, and you're gonna get active mining. They will give you some hash rates of which you're gonna be mining with. Okay, all right guys, so you can just go ahead and withdraw to wallet. So I'm going to withdraw all of that to wallet, and once that has been withdrawn to wallet, you can see my Tron is growing. I'll go back to my cloud mining, and I will turn on the mining process also. So make a deposit and invest in Bitcoin cloud mining. Get up to 64% profit every month from the investment amount. Alright guys, so you'll be making money if you deposit, and you're gonna get 64% of your deposit. So if you just go ahead and click on boost, it's going to bring out your USDT RTC20 network, and you just copy this and you make your deposit. And once you've deposited, it's going to give you a hash rate, and you turn on your mining process just like the way I turn this one on, and you will start mining. So for now, I'm mining Tron. So once I'm done mining Tron, I will start mining Bitcoin also. So guys, this is how you can start mining. As you can see, it has started growing. I need to grow. They're going to have $1, $2, $3, $4, and that's how it's going to rise continually, and I'll start making money. So you can go ahead and check your profit calculator. So under your profit calculator, so if you're depositing $500, you're going to earn $959 in the profit of 90 days. That's 3 months. So you're going to get extra $459. So if you divide it by 3 months, 400 divided by 3, so let's say 500 divided by 3, that is around, let's say 150. Yes, that means a month you'll be making $150, and that's a whole lot of money. That is about in naira, that is about 200,000 naira, 210 or 220,000 naira, and that is a lot. That's a lot. So you'll be depositing $800, which is about 800,000 naira, and you'll be making monthly of 220,000. Alright guys, so this is how it works. So this is how you can start making money online. 95 in the period of 90 days, which is very poor. So let's assume we do this, 5,000 you make. Wow, so the higher this is, the higher you make. So if you invest 5,000, you'll make 4,500 extra. Wow, that's risky, but it works because it's a legitimate platform. Okay guys, it's a legitimate platform. So guys, if I go back to my mining panel, so currently I'm mining Tron. So once you register, you're gonna have this Tron mining for free. Okay, you're gonna have this Tron mining for free, and you start mining. So guys, this is how you can make money online. Okay, so ensure you subscribe to my channel, because I have a lot of cool features and a lot of updates I'm gonna give you how you can make money online. Alright guys, so I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.